Hello, traders. Hello. You are welcome to our traders analysis. Today, we are going to do analysis of what we should be expecting come next week, trading next week. Today is 7th of September 2024. This is weekend Saturday, so the market has closed. Nothing is happening on the chart, so we want to do analysis so that we'll be able to tell you what you should be expecting come next week, the pairs you should be trading. There's something that is really happening. The week has been crazy. The market has been spiking up and down, despite the fact that it's going to move to the direction it wants to move. What is the spike here? The hunting is just crazy. So the market has been bad for swing traders lately. The bad part of it is that the market will spike, take you out, and still goes to where you want to go. So it has been very bad. This week was not good for us. But however, on this channel, we come and tell you the truth. That is the game. That's the forest for you guys. That's the forest. It's not always the win-win-win situation. I come up here, I post it and tell you that sometimes in a week we go 100 over 100, no loss trade. Sometimes in a week we go 80 over 100. Sometimes it's 50-50. Sometimes it's 40 over 100. I cannot come up here and be hyping and telling you it's always a rosy game, especially for those who are coming in new into this business. You have to understand that there are times you experience losses, but the ability for you to cope with those losses and still come back and make profits that is going to outweigh the losses is what makes a professional trader. When you are on losses and you make some irrational decisions, you keep on going down. So guys, I want to share my screen now with you guys so that we will strictly go into the charts. Sorry guys, I've not been able to post video. I did not do a video last week for you guys. But however, I'm back full time. I was quite busy. I'm back. So I'm going to post. So before we go into the business for the day of the day, I'm going to squeeze the like and subscribe button. Click the subscribe and like if you keep liking what we're doing in this channel. So this week I'm basically going to tell you the pairs you should be trading and the pairs we did analysis, how it went. The market pump. The last traders analysis video we did, the Monday, which was the first day of the trading week, the market banged over 200 pips. EJ, Euro JPY, sold over 200 pips, hit our target. So before I could wake up Monday morning to look at my chart to see if I can have a trading opportunity, the market had already done what I speculated. So I missed out on that 200 pips drop. I'm going to show you what the market did. I think this EJ. Remember, I did analysis. This was my analysis. Yes, remember this analysis? Go check my previous video. You see this stuff I did here. I showed you a flag. It gave us this flag, and you saw this pattern gave us flag. And I told you that it's going to test and drop. But the market came back on Monday, just in a day. This fall happened, and that hits the first target before the market actually did some almost 100% retracement. One thing about this EJ is that if you are trading this EJ, you just have to be careful because the retracement are always deep pullback. It usually gives deep pullback, sometimes 95% deep pullback. That is what has been happening in the market. Before now, you know that the market moves impulsive retracement, impulsive, and goes to the direction. So it's more straightforward markets to trade. But when the market is doing some deep pullbacks, as a swing trader, it becomes so difficult for you. Because as a swing trader, you want to hold that trade. Maybe you're targeting 300, 500, 400 pips drop, of which you know is going to drop. But those deep pullbacks are so wicked that they will come and pick you out aggressively and still go back to where you are speculating it. So it's like as if you wasted an analysis. But that's what it is, guys. The market happens sometimes. This happens in the market sometimes. And this pair is fond of that. So if you're trading Euro JPY, just be careful. When you're on profit and you notice that the market wants to do some retracement, it's better you go out of that trade or you break even, so that if you lose that trade, if the market takes you out, you know you do not lose on that trade, guys. This is what I've learned in this particular pair, Euro JPY. If you watch what has been going on, it has been doing the same thing. After we did that speculation analysis and I draw this stuff to telling you that this is the wave of how the market, but the market came up that Monday morning and dropped. These three massive candles gave us close to 200 pips drops, guys. When I saw the move waking up Monday morning GMT, man, it was crazy. I was angry because this was the market I was looking very, very close. The market dropped over 220 pips before reversing. So if I had taken this trade, guys, that is close to 50% of my target, my return of investment. Wow, wow. So the market came, dropped, gave us this pullback back to where it started the move, drop, came back, drop, and now drop. Now it came and do the same thing in this place. You saw what it did. It did this pullback before dropping. Now it's dropping massively. The market is dropping massively. Look at what's going on. This was another entry I put, and the market has hit that 200 pips profit, and the market is currently at the place I predicted it. So if the market drop below this, we know that the move is coming to this zone. So we are closely watching on this pair. We're closely watching on this pair right now. So for now, I'll just go. I will not do too much analysis on a lot of pairs. I will just pick few pairs and do analysis so that you should know what you should be trading this week. Now we have Euro JPY, Euro USD rather. Okay, Euro USD. So should I do analysis on Euro USD? Okay, let me focus on the JPY pairs because that is what is really moving right now. JPY pairs. Okay, we're going on JPY pairs right now. Okay, so Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Like I usually teaches you. I will not want to clean up this chart because this chart is still fresh. So let me go to another pair. This video is basically what you should be looking at. Now let's go to GBP, JPY. Let me remove everything here. Now, you know how we do the analysis monthly. We look at the trend. In this kind of market, the market has been trending from here. So we pick this place and try to match it here up here. And then we've gotten our trend. So we know that this market has been going bullish. And we have some demand zone here. Okay, let's put this stuff here and see what's going on here. So the market came boom, 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 and did this fake out, and now the market dropped. And then we come to weekly. At this weekly, we are going to look at zones where we should be drawing our zones. Okay, so this is now you know usually what I've taught you in my previous videos, how to draw your zones. So you look at where you have aggressive moves to either the up or the low side, aggressive move. This is where you should be looking at because those are where the orders are. So the market always come back in those areas. Okay, let's see this. This is an area of concern. This is an area of concern. I usually use my colors for different time frames. So for weekly, I use my green. Okay. So this is another zone of concern, area of concern. Because of all of this market, I also what is happening in that region. So remember, this is a weekly time frame. So when the lower time frame gets to that zone, market will always react. Okay, so I'm done here. Let's come to daily. This is daily. Do we have any important zone here? Okay, let's look at this place. Okay, GBP, JPY. Okay. So if I can look at a trend, can pick a trend from here and here. Wow. So on a daily time frame, the market is selling. This pair has not officially changed trend, like generally from the monthly time frame, but we know it has tested the resistance and is dropping. So we are looking at, for us to 100% say that this pair has reversed. We're waiting for this market to come and take out this monthly trend line. Then we know that the pair has already reversed. But in the daily, in the weekly, we are seeing that it's forming a pattern, impulsive retracement, a bearish pattern, showing a selling structure. And now when you come to the daily time, you see the trend sharply faint out. You see the aggressive move to the below and give us this retracement, and it's dropping again. So on a daily, for those of you who are intraday traders, who are day traders, this pair is a selling pair. So you can be looking for an opportunity to trade. So guys, we have identified the trend in the weekly. So we can come to 4 hours and look at these minor zones. These are where you should be looking at taking your trades. Sorry guys. So you should be looking at taking your trade in those minor zones. Okay. I zoom this stuff out. So where do we have area of concerns? So we can be looking at placing some support and resistance in those zones. Okay, so what we are looking at is selling. In this pair, we are looking at selling. So if I come here, I place this stuff here. Will it go? Will it go? Okay, let's take here. Here. Okay, no. So guys, we're not really getting any sharp, any area of concern because of the way the candles are. They are minor moves. So we can take here. We saw this evening star here. So let's take here. Let's take here. All right. So, okay. All right. Okay. So, sorry, guys. So, guys, you are welcome back. Sorry for that break in transmission. So, we are on GJ. So now that's the zone, that's the major zone we can. This pair has been doing some consolidation. So we'll come down to 1 hour. I'm just doing this for you guys that are trading, that are not swing traders. So basically, you come here, you see this rejection here. You use this stuff. Mark here as your resistance. So you wait for markets to touch any of those zones, and then you are good to go. So if the market comes to this place, to observe what happens. It's going to buy or sell, but we know this pair is selling pair. So if the market comes down here and breaks this zone, we're going to sell down to this point. We're going to sell down to this point. This where we have the trend line drop. Okay. So, but if the market comes here and do some retracement, comes here and do some retracement here back to this place, market comes back here and give us some retracement here. and give us some rejection. Then we are going to sell from this zone. So we are observing the market. We are expecting the market to come here and give us some, come back here and give us some retracement, give us some rejection, a third touch to this top, then we are going to sell. But if it doesn't do that, then we'll wait for it, patiently wait for it to come down here and observe what happens. That is for this. Okay, let's go to EG, Euro JPY. Like I told you, I may not reset this pair, but I will just explain what's going on. Now, if you look at the weekly time frame, this is the weekly time frame. This pair was a bullish move before the market broke structure. It broke the trend. The market give us this breakout and do this stuff. Market break this trend and aggressively and came down to this point and reversed. This is what we call pullback. Give us pullback back to this region, and then it's falling again. So we know that since the market has broken the overall trend, the market is now a bearish pace, bearish trend. So we are waiting for bearish signal. And if you look at what we are seeing right now, this weekly candle has engulfed this. So since it has engulfed this, we know that in the next market is going to fall down to this place before any retracement happens. Okay, so we're observing it full time. This one has smashed TP. Okay, look at this, and the market has smashed TP. So we are waiting for this market to break this region. So if it breaks this region, we know the market is coming here direct. This is where the market is coming. Let's go to 4 hours so I can draw the so we take our short position. So if we calculate from here to here, we know that we should be expecting at least 228 pips drop on EU. 228 pips drop to this region. So we know that EJ is going to fall again. Come this week, 228 pips from where it is to this region before any major reversals happen. Not even reversal, pullback, major pullback. You know, this pair is crazy. It usually does a very massive, aggressive pullbacks. So what we are expecting it to do, we're expecting it to probably breaks here, when it breaks, oh my God, breaks here, give us a retestment, and then it's going to drop big time. This is what we are expecting to do. Come back, break aggressively, retest to this region, and then drop. That is what we are expecting GJ to do this week again. So we know GJ is going to fall 200 pips. Take it from me. We are hearing this first on Living on Forest, guys. GJ is going to drop 228 pips from where it is to this region. So watch this market. One thing about GGJ before is Japanese currency. So probably it moves very much during the Japanese section. And in the Japanese section, we in Nigeria, in this part of the world, GMT+1, we should be sleeping at night. That is our night. So sometime before we wake up on Monday morning, the Japanese section has probably done what it wants to do. That is it. But if, however, that didn't happen, and you happen to get this market here, wait for a breakout to this downside, wait for a breakout here, retest to this region, and then let it then allow you to drop. that is that for this. Okay, we'll quickly move to, I'm not be talking on GBP, USD. I've talked about GBP, JPY. So let's go to USD, JPY. So USD, JPY, guys, the market was on bullish move, and then the same thing has happened. It has broken, the trend, and now we have gotten another engulfing bar. So the market is currently in an area of concern. We are looking at this pair to fall. We are now bearish on USD JPY. USD JPY is no longer a bullish pair. For all of you who have been trading USD JPY for years, we know it has been one directional market, just ahead. But now it has broken. It's now officially a bearish market because it has broken the trend and giving us this pullback and it's dropping. So it is confirmed that the breakout is official. So now what are we looking at coming to trade Euro JPY? So let's mark our zones. That is what we should be looking at. So this is one of the zone. This is one of the zone, and here is where the market is currently is. Okay, because of this move here. Now we come here again. This is area of concern as well. This area of concern. So take our another line. This area is area of concern. Okay, so take another line and drop. Okay, so now guys, we come down to daily time frame. Like you see, the trend I've already drawn. So the daily time frame is still telling us that the market is bearish. 1 month bearish, weekly bearish, daily bearish. So the bearish. So what we are looking at for when it comes to 4 hours, we are looking at entry. So we are looking at only selling. We're not looking at buying, guys. We are looking at selling euros JPY. So what we just wait for the market to break any of the support region. The market is currently in this zone. Once it takes out this region here, once the market takes out this region here, okay, let me do this stuff. So when the market come out and take out this region here, so we are waiting for the market. Market takes out the region. My network is kind of bad today. Bad. So the market takes out this region. This is the next area we are looking at this market to fall. And that is a very massive distance. Very massive pips drop. Massive. So if you can hold this trade for as long as it's going to drop, this is over 1,000 pips drop. To the downside. Because we don't have any major zones. The only zones I can see here, okay, if you come to the daily time frame, okay, so we look at this region here. Okay, this is a mini region. Let's use another color to identify it. Okay, change it to blue. Very well. So if you come here, you see that region is a minor zone. That is why I use this blue line. Because of this move here, it respected it and dropped, became and when it breaks it, it's respected it before moving. So the market is coming back that region. So if we check our pip count, from here to there, it's going to give us nothing less than 300 pips. So the way if the market breaks this region here, it comes down to that point, we are going to have at least 250 pips. 250 pips between here and here. So let me go down to so if this market breaks where it is currently, guys, break these two regions, we are going back to the downside, and that is over 250 pips drop. That is what we are expecting. So we are expecting UJ to drop 250 this week, EJ to drop 250 this week as well. Then let's go to gold. Gold, I miss a lot of entries on gold. That this week has been terrible because I've not been stable. I miss a lot of entry. Look at all of this. So let me close on. So gold did crazy stuff when the NFP came out. It dropped and it's going back. The NFP made USD to be a little bit stronger, but the strength of the USD did not last. And after which the market continued to do what it wants to do. So I will not be doing any analysis on gold. Every analysis I did is still on point. So we are observing the market. We are observing the market. The market is giving us some pullback. So we are waiting. We'll patiently wait for this market to either, because gold, we are always on bullish. So we'll observe if the market breaks this region, which is the all-time high. Market breaks this region, then we'll wait for a pullback to that place and then move to the upside. But however, if that doesn't happen, we'll wait for the markets to come down to this region, retest this region, and then we're going to ride it to the upside. Okay. So we are expecting the market to maybe come down here, retest this zone before pumping to the upside. So however it happens, we know we are just looking for a bullish move on gold because gold is buy, not sell, buy. So we are only looking for buys. So we'll wait for this market to come back and test this region, which we know that is likely to happen. And to test this region, and then give us a bullish entry. This is a better place to enter the market. When the market comes on, either here or this trend line is a better place to enter, because why we say it's a better place to enter, look at the candles, the aggressive move whenever the market comes in that region. The aggressive move does the trick, guys. So observe how market behave in the region will tell you if that region is a very important point or not. If the market comes in and gives you some shallow moves, then it's not a very important point. But if the market comes and give you sharp moves with an aggressive candles, then that zone is a zone that you should note. This gems I'm telling you is a very important. Write it down somewhere. You always need it. So observe how gold behaves in a zone. So you see this aggressive move in this region, this railroad tracks shows that this region is important. When the market came down there, we saw the rejection. The market came down there, we saw the rejection. Whenever the market comes in that region, we are seeing the rejection. So the better entry should be allow this market to drop like this. Allow this market to drop like this to either this region or this region, this trend. Then you shoot to the upside. Either here, you shoot to the upside, or here, shoot to the upside. So these are the 2 points that you should note in gold. Here or here, these 2 regions. So that is why you should be watching the market. Then if that didn't happen, the market opens and the market just keep pumping up, pumping up. Don't worry. Allow the market to come to this region and observe. If it breaks it, then wait for a pullback and then join the trend to the upside. But if it doesn't break it, it comes and reverse. Relax. The market is reversing to either here, majorly. It's coming back here to give that how gold behaves, to give you a deep pullback, and then before the candle closes, it will give you a strong rejection. Then you know that that is the zone. You can now enter your buys. So guys, this is how far we'll go for today. I don't have plans to make this video any longer. The Euro USD, I would have loved to talk about this trade because it's moving very well recently, but I won't talk about it. So basically, this is what we should be expecting coming this week. I've done analysis on 3 pairs: Euro USD, Euro JPY, USD JPY, and gold. So this is the 3 pair you should be looking at: Euro JPY sell, USD JPY sell, target 250 pips, Euro JPY 250 pips, and then gold. We are targeting gold to the upside. So these two pairs, go and look at it and see what you can have. So come this week, we'll be updating you with how the trade went and catch you in the next video. So guys, this is how far we'll go. Thank you very much. And I want to unshare my screen right now with you guys. If you like what we are doing, if you see that our analysis are always banging, please keep subscribing, like and share this video to your friends who are struggling in this game. Guys, another thing I want to let you know is there is how to manage your risk and how to manage your emotion. It's very, very important in your trading. If you want to succeed, if you want to last long in this industry, Forex is not just making money. Learn how to manage money. Learn how to manage your money. Very important. Because if you don't manage it, the money you make today, you blow it tomorrow. That is guaranteed. The money you make today, you blow it tomorrow. Sometimes you must have known how to analyze the market. You know what the Forex is, but you're not making money. The reason is because there is other aspect of trading that you need to master. Your entry, your exit, and when not to trade, when to say no, and how to manage your emotions. These things are very, very important. But I'll be talking about this holistically and elaborately on the next video. On another video, I will do a special video for it. So that I will pour out my mind for you guys and tell you how this thing works. I'll also do another video on how to manage a Profim account. That is what is trending right now. Profim, everybody is buying Profim account. So how to manage a Profim account so that you will not break the rules. And I also recommend 2 Profims for you if you want, but I will not be mentioning it in my channel. If you want, you can private chat me. So guys, this is how far we'll go for today's video. Thank you very much for staying true to this video. See you in the next video and keep trading. Within the week, I'm going to update you guys on how the market went. So thank you very much, and I'm signing out.